Today is Friday, May 17th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fuel-injected variant sending unit. This is the sending unit that has the integral first-line pump, whereby the 76 Eldorado fuel-injected cars had two electronic fuel pumps, one in the tank and one mounted on the rail. So this unit has been completely restored. This is for my friend Larry in Crystal River. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test of the replacement sending unit as part of this rebuilt sending unit that's going as a complete embodiment to Larry, replacing his old existing one that is badly deteriorated. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply ground to the ground wire, and we can see the light bulb coming on connected to the positive connection for the sending unit. And as I actuate the sending bar, we'll be looking at the light bulb becoming increasingly brighter. Okay, showing how the float regulates the electrical continuity that is transmitted up to the gauge at the instrument cluster. Okay, so there's our fully functional sending unit. This is video number 2 out of a 3 video set. The next video we're going to be doing the fluid transfer. Today is Friday, May 17th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage Cadillac Eldorado items from 1967 through 1978, including the fuel-injected 76 and 77 and 78 models. I have 375,000 original vintage parts for Cadillac overall from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, May 17th. Thank you very kindly.